Hello and welcome to Top Tech News Today. Here is your daily dose of latest tech news from around the world. Mike Verdu, who joined Netflix in 2021 to launch its game offering and took on a new role as VP of Generative AI for games 4 months ago, has left the company. Google updates Chrome extension policy to ban affiliate link injection without user action or benefit, after allegations Honey stole creators' affiliate revenue. Cartesia, which is developing real-time generative AI models for voice AI, raised a $64 million Series A, led by Kleiner Perkins, taking its total funding to $91 million. Sam Altman says OpenAI trained an AI model that is good at creative writing and shares a short story it wrote. He's not sure yet how and when it will get released. Mesh raised an $82 million Series B, settled mostly in PayPal's PYUSD stablecoin and led by Paradigm to expand its stablecoin-based payment settlement network. Manus partners with Alibaba's Qwen to integrate Manus's AI agent functions with AI models and computing platforms in China and to collaborate on Qwen's AI models. Google is in final talks to acquire AdHawk Microsystems, a Canadian maker of eye-tracking tech, for $115 million, including $15 million in performance-based payments. Delivery Hero says Uber has terminated its $950 million deal to acquire Foodpanda in Taiwan and will pay approximately $250 million termination fee after Taiwan's FTC blocked the deal. After tech companies like Amazon and Microsoft made huge bets on AI, the gadget boom that started with the launch of Alexa in 2014 has largely fizzled. Dexterity, maker of industrial robots that have human-like finesse, raised $95 million at a $1.65 billion valuation, up from $1.4 billion in 2021, bringing total funding to approximately $300 million. Waymo expands its operating area around Silicon Valley to a 27-square-mile region, including Mountain View, Palo Alto, Los Altos, and parts of Sunnyvale. President Trump nominates Sean Planky, the director of cyber policy at the White House during the first Trump administration, to run CISA. Israeli startup Sola, which offers a low-code platform to build cybersecurity apps, emerges from stealth with a $30 million seed co-led by S Capital and Mike Moritz. Israeli-U.S. cybersecurity startup Cybereason raised $120 million led by SoftBank Vision Fund 2 and Liberty. Its now ex-CEO said in a lawsuit it was close to bankrupt. Neobank Zolve, which offers services for those moving to the U.S., raised a $51 million Series B led by Creagus and $200 million in debt, and says it has 750,000 customers. India's Airtel signs a deal with SpaceX to launch Starlink in the country, subject to Starlink obtaining government approval to begin operations. Global smartwatch shipments fell 7% year-over-year in 2024, the market's first-ever decline. Apple fell 19%, while Huawei grew 35%. Xiaomi grew 135%, and Samsung grew 3%. Coinbase registers with India's FIU and plans to roll out its retail trading platform in India later in 2025, its second attempt to expand in the country. Celestial AI, which aims to use light to speed up data transfer inside servers, raised $250 million led by Fidelity at a $2.5 billion valuation, taking its funding to $515 million. Meta is testing its first in-house AI training chip and is working with TSMC to produce it, as part of a long-term plan to lower infrastructure costs. Trump's call to scrap the horrible CHIPS Act causes concern among Republican lawmakers who sought and received White House reassurances over the program. Kirkland-based enterprise cybersecurity startup ChainGuard is in talks to raise $350 million, led by Kleiner, at a $3.5 billion valuation, up from $1.1 billion in July 2024. Cerebras, Grok, and Big Tech target AI inference to challenge NVIDIA. Barclays sees inference capex surpassing training in 2 years, reaching $208.2 billion in 2026. Seagate and other HDD makers bet on tech like heat-assisted magnetic recording to stay competitive. IDC expects data center HDD spending to hit $22 billion by 2028. Infinite Uptime, which uses AI and proprietary sensors to offer predictive maintenance solutions for factories, raised a $35 million Series C led by Avatar Ventures. Thailand's SEC approves Tether's USDT and Circle's USDC for exchange trading, with both available in Thailand on March 16th, signaling growing stablecoin adoption. ServiceNow says it plans to acquire agentic AI company Moveworks for $2.85 billion, its largest ever acquisition, in a cash and stock deal set to close in the second half of 2025. That was all for today. Thanks for watching, and we shall be back tomorrow. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get updates about our latest videos and daily tech news. Thanks again for watching.